Why are most ginger cats male? The genetic secret revealed. Ever notice something peculiar about ginger cats? Like almost every single one you meet seems to be a dude? It's not just your imagination. Turns out roughly 80% of these fiery felines are indeed male. What's the deal? Is it some secret ginger cat club? Nope. It's pure mind-blowing genetics, and today we're cracking the code on this adorable mystery. Welcome back to FactSpark, your go-to spot for unraveling the universe's coolest questions. Today, we're pouncing headfirst into the perfectly adorable world of ginger cats. We're talking about why these orange beauties are overwhelmingly male, and trust us, the science behind it is way more fascinating than you think. Get ready to have your mind blown because it all boils down to tiny things called chromosomes. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty chromosomes. Imagine them as the ultimate instruction books for every cell in a cat's body, dictating everything from whisker length to fur color. Now, here's the crucial bit. Lady cats rock 2 X-chromosomes like having a double-volume encyclopedia. Gentlemen cats? They've got 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, a single special instruction manual. And guess what? The gene that paints a cat ginger, it's exclusively chilling on that X chromosome. For a male cat, it's a walk in the park. He snags just 1 X from his mom. If that X is carrying the orange gene, bam! Instant ginger boy, easy peasy. But for our fabulous female felines, it's a bit more of a genetic hurdle. To be fully ginger, she needs both of her X chromosomes to be sporting that orange gene. Think about it. The odds of hitting that genetic jackpot twice are naturally way lower than just once. It's like a cosmic cat lottery, and the boys just have a much better ticket for that solid orange prize. For what felt like ages, scientists were totally stumped, wondering which exact gene was responsible for this fiery fur phenomenon. But good news, cat lovers. The mystery has been perfectly solved. It all comes down to a super tiny, super specific DNA deletion, chilling right next to a gene called ERK-AP36. Now, this isn't your average mutation that just shuts things down. Oh no, this one's a rebel. It actually boosts the production of a special protein. And here's the really wild part. This souped-up protein, specifically in the cat's pigment cells, the ones that give fur its color, acts like a tiny furry bouncer. It literally blocks the genes that would normally create brown and black pigments from even getting to the party. So, what's left to shine? The easy-to-make yellow-red pigment, giving us that absolutely gorgeous ginger glow. And don't worry, this little genetic quirk is totally harmless, only affecting fur color, not your cat's health. How cool is it that such a microscopic change can lead to such a big, beautiful impact? So, let's tie this all up with a bow, because that vibrant orange gene is hanging out on the X chromosome, and our male felines are rocking just 1 X. They only need that single copy from their mama to be a full-blown ginger. Female cats, bless their double X hearts, need 2 copies, which just makes their odds of being solid orange a bit slimmer. That's why, folks, roughly 80% of those charming ginger cats you spot are indeed handsome boys. But wait, there's another mind-blowing fact for you. This sex-linked orange fur is only found in domestic cats. Seriously? Tigers, orangutans, even other big cats with reddish coats? Their color isn't linked to their sex chromosomes. This means our perfectly cuddly companions have a truly unique genetic superpower. And get this. Scientists actually believe all ginger cats can trace their fiery lineage back to a single ancient ancestor who lived over 900 years ago. Imagine, a cat so legendary its descendants are still charming us today, perhaps even immortalized in ancient paintings. How cool is that? A centuries-old genetic mystery finally solved with a dash of history. Now, hold on a second. You might be thinking, but what about those absolutely stunning Calico and Tortoiseshell cats? They've got those amazing orange patches, and they're almost always girls. And you, my friend, are spot on. This is another jaw-dropping genetic phenomenon. If a female cat inherits 1 X chromosome with the orange gene, and her other X chromosome carries, say, a black or brown gene, she won't be a solid ginger. Instead, she becomes a living, breathing work of art, a beautiful patchwork of colors. This magic happens thanks to something called random X chromosome inactivation. During her early development, in each and every one of her cells, one of her two X chromosomes randomly decides to switch off. So, some patches of her fur will proudly display orange because that X chromosome stayed active. Other patches will show black or brown because that X chromosome took the lead instead. It's like a tiny cellular lottery happening all over her body, creating those truly unique and adored patterns we see in calicos and torties. So let's do a super quick rewind of our epic ginger cat genetic adventure. The secret to orange fur? It's all on the X chromosome. Guys, male cats get the easy win with just one X, making them the ginger majority. Gals, female cats, need double the orange X power to be fully ginger, which is why they're so rare. And it's all thanks to a sneaky little DNA deletion near the ARH-GAP36 gene that sparks that fiery color. As for those breathtaking calicos and tortoiseshells, they're basically walking, purring masterpieces of X chromosome inactivation. How cool is that for a science lesson? We hope you had an absolute blast unraveling this genetic mystery with us. Now, we're dying to know, do you have a magnificent ginger cat? Or a stunning calico or tortie? Spill the beans in the comments below and tell us all about your furry friends. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, smash that like button. And for more mind-bending science explained in a way that's actually fun, make sure to subscribe to FactSpark. We've got a whole universe of amazing topics waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.